So ngayon naman, we would like to start things off with our media Q&A. Yes, we have our questions here with Jeremy G. Okay, joining me again, one of our writers and producers, Sir Jeremy G.
Hello po sa inyo. Hello online.
Okay,
Hello Bayana, what's up boys? Congratulations.
Jeremy, before I leave you guys for this media Q&A, ano ang mensahe mo para sa Ride?
Una sa lahat, sobrang thank you. Thank you sa tiwala ninyo. Hindi lang sa akin, pati kay Alas who also co-wrote Ulala as well. And ako din, I'm proud to say that I've co-written songs with Ishi and Lucio as well, and Asi did. And I'm so proud to see your guys' journey in preparing for these songs, for these songs para sa mga fans niyo to hear. And I know there's so much more to come para sa inyo. Congratulations again.
Okay, Jeremy, since ikaw yung writer and producer, ng Q&A. Okay, so once again, we are now going to open the floor to our friends from the media for their questions. Okay.
Yes. Our first question comes from Vince Bernardo from Philippine Concerts. Ang tanong niya ay para kay Asi. Asi, can you introduce yourselves and share your roles in Ride?
What's up? Okay, ako po si Asi Gardula. I've joined The Boys since way back 2017 po. Tapos si Dre, si Ishiro, si Russo, Matthew. Sila po kami po yung magkakapatid niyo. So, wait lang. Ano yung tanong? Ay, okay. Then nalala.
Ang roles niyo?
So, I'm starting with myself. Ako po yung naasahan po or na-honored po nila na maging leader. So, and as we can see po, we have our own strength po. As we can see po, si Dre po, siya po yung nakikitaan natin main dancer. Si Ishiro po, siya po yung nakikitaan natin na lead vocalist. And syempre si Russo po, nakikitaan po natin siya ng main rapper. And syempre, si Matthew po, nakikitaan po natin siya ng lead vocalist and visuals as well. Pero po, sa ano po, ang mindset po sana namin is kada roles po is gusto po namin aralin. Para po sa mga future po, we could be well-rounded po. Like, Ishiro can be the main dancer, Russo could be the main vocalist as well po. Like, aralin po natin.
At nakakatuwa din yan kasi napanood ko yung interview sa Soyu kahapon. At tinanong din nila kung ano yung mga roles niyo. And gusto ko talaga yung sinabi niya na gusto niya talaga maging all-rounders. Every member, they want to do everything. Kaya, that's nice. Ito naman, from Sir Vince, once again, itong tanong para kay Dre naman. Isa pa kay Dre? Dre, are there any genres, concepts, or collaborations that you'd love to explore in future releases?
Gusto ko pong makakulab si Mr. Gary V. Idol ko po talaga siya.
Okay. Mga ibang members baka may gusto kayong i-collab in the future?
Collab? I think, let me see. For me po, gusto ko rin pong makakulab din namin si Sir Saksha Gundo po. Kasi he's very good as a writer and artist as a whole. So, gusto ko pong matry din yung style ng music for us.
Asi?
Ako po, bukod po sa mga artist po na nandito, siguro po, parehas po kami ni Ishi actually. Kasi I've been listening to Zach's songs po lately, so ikaw ba bro?
Sa akin, pwede ba Jeremy G?
Yeah! Inaantay ko nga yun, brother! Ay, may party lang na dun!
Ayun, syempre, kasama ka na dun, Chris. Siguro, si Sir Black Knight.
Matthew, ikaw, brother.
Pares. Okay, guys. Hindi kasi sa ngayon kasi yung process ko ngayon, inaaral ko talaga mag-rap, magsulat din ng kanta. So, gusto ko na, natututo ako kay Russo kung paano siya magsulat. Pero syempre, pagdating naman sa dance skills, gusto ko bang matuto sa mga kagaya ni Kuya Nate.
Kuya Nick! Kuya Nick!
Hindi kasi ano po, talagang as in before po ako sumali ng Dreammaker, as in, na-idolize ko na po yung dance skills niya. Parang pag napapanood ko po sa TikTok, bisa mo yun siya. Para sa yun po, sobrang inspired ko lang po na matuto pa sa maging mahusay na performer po.
Ayun, salamat sa answer mo, Matthew. At thank you so much, Kuya Nate, for that sample. And the next mga questions ito are from Jacqueline Megan Ortega from Soundcheck Manila. Ating dito daw siya. Ayun. Hello po.
Good afternoon po.
Good afternoon po. Good afternoon.
Hi guys! Hindi ko mahanap yung nasubmit kong question. But I'd just like to ask, kasi I heard 2 years, so when did you guys come together? How did you guys come together? Was there any addition of some sort? And parang may may saying kayo sa Instagram niyo. Could you explain more about that? Parang may quote kayo, something about yesterday, today. Thank you.
So our group right po is we're all former contestants of a survival show program here in ABS-CBN po called Dreammaker. And hindi po kami nanalo doon, but the management gave us another chance and created a group with us. Kasi I can say naman po, siguro nakita niyo naman po yung potential and yung hunger po namin para maging part din ng P-pop scene and as artists. And ayun po, unti-unti po kami nabuo and throughout those 2 years, and tuloy-tuloy lang po kami nag-train. We waited our time, we took our time kasi gusto po namin mabuo yung mga sarili namin as artists and maging confident kami sa mga ipapakita namin in the future and ngayon, right now. So regarding po din sa experience yesterday, today, and tomorrow, we want our music to be well-rounded as well. Kumbaga, throughout your music, you could feel a lot of things, experience different things throughout what you hear. So ayun po, gusto po namin may maramdaman yung mga tao through our music. So, different experience.
Deserve naman nila yung spot na ito, di ba guys? Deserve naman nila. Miss Jacqueline, meron pa isang mga tanong. Okay na mo? Thank you po. Ayun, nahulog tuloy. Sorry guys, pasensya na. Pinakabahan na yung kuya nyo. Ito from Carl June Canole from Kapatid Insider. This question is for Isidro. Ay, sa mga easy! Ito, Isidro, sa daming P-pops ngayon sa P-pop scene, what sets Riot apart from those other groups in the industry?
Okay, it's a big thing. Throughout naman sa pagsasama namin, napag-uusapan din namin minsan. Kasi di ba, in this industry, it's about what makes you different, what makes you unique. I can say what makes us unique is really connected with our backgrounds and our concept na ngayon sineset namin. Kasi we all came from different paths. Si Dre, he's experienced in dancing, World of Dance. Si Asi, The Voice, singing. Si Russo, before he was a boxer, in sports. And Matthew, he was in acting. And ako po, normal lang akong tao na doing so. Just a chill guy. More on focus lang sa aral. And di ba, parang when I said our backgrounds, we are so different. So, di ba, parang isipin mo, paano ito mag-work as a group? But also connected with our concept, we came from different paths. But eventually, nakita-kita kami sa isang daan. And now, we travel together to finally arrive where we want to be. Dito po sa Baby School. Kaya yun po, we have finally arrived. Nagsama-sama kami. Our differences is also our strength. Yes. So, just to summarize, it's our story, our storyline, our concept, and us as individuals who came together as a group.
And I thank you. Grabe, pwede na sa Isidro. Ito naman, para kay Matthew naman. Matthew, nabanggit naman Isidro kanina na you guys are given the belief from the management, you guys are happy to be part of this group. Pero para sa iyo, what was your reaction when you guys finally debuted?
Siyempre po, unang-una hindi po talaga ako makapaniwala na aabot ko na sa kung nasan po kami ngayon. Pero siyempre, nasa isang mindset po kaming lahat na nagkakaintindihan kami na iisa lang talaga yung goal namin from the start, na kahit ano bang mangyari, walang susuko, patuloy lang kami na hawakan namin yung aming mga kamay. Tapos kabit-kabit kami, gano'n, di ba? Siyempre, patuloy lang kami nag-grind everyday, hindi kami susuko. Parang minsan, kagabi nga inisip ko lang parang di ako makapaniwala kasi tao. But may sound effects! Sobrang saya ko na nandito na kami. Ito yung pinagpaguran namin, ito yung mga na-sacrifice namin sa buong buhay namin, yung buong oras namin, binigay namin para sa moment na ito.
Yes! Parang iiyak si Matthew. Well, thank you so much guys for those answers. Pero syempre, next natin is from